In this video, you will learn how to use flash fill in Excel. Flash fill is a very cool feature which uses pattern recognition to quickly extract or concatenate data without using formulas. Knowing how to use this feature can really speed up your data entry or data cleansing tasks in Excel. I will show you multiple examples and methods. Let's get started. In this example, we have a list of full names in column A. What if we wanted to separate the full names into first name and last name? Let's type Jim into column B, then press Ctrl Enter to stay in the same cell. Next, double-click the fill handle at the bottom right of the cell, which copies Jim to the cells below. In the Autofills option box, click the down arrow, then select Flash Fill. Excel recognizes a pattern, then fills the rest of the first names down. Let's use a different flash fill method for the last name. Type Smith last name in column C, then press the down arrow. As I begin typing Johnson, Excel instantly recognizes the pattern, then fills the last names down in a light gray color. The results are as I expected, so I will press Enter to finalize the flash fill. Typically, you would need to use a formula to split the data like this. However, flash fill enables you to quickly extract the data without using a formula. In this example, we have the first name and last name in separate columns. What if we wanted to combine the first and last name into a full name? Flash fill can help to do this as well. This time, let's use another method. Let's type Jim Smith in column B, then press Ctrl plus Enter to stay in the same cell. Next, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus E. Almost instantly, Excel fills the rest of the full names to the cells below. Flash fill really is an amazing time saver. Please do note that flash fill works best with consistent data. In this example, we have date values in column A. What if we wanted to extract the year into column B? Let's begin by typing 2020 in column B. Next, highlight all the cells. This time, let's go to the Home menu, then to the Editing group, then click the Fill down arrow, and then select Flash Fill. The years have now been successfully separated. An important thing to note is that in order for Flash Fill to recognize the pattern, it needs to be implemented close to the original data. For example, let's see what happens if we try to apply flash fill a little bit further from the original data. I'll go ahead and delete this here first. Let's go over to column E, and I'll start typing in 2020. And then let's highlight the remaining cells, and then go over to the Editing group, click the Fill down arrow, and then select Flash Fill. We get a pop-up, and it says that we looked at all the data next to your selection and didn't see a pattern for filling in values for you. So flash fill was unable to recognize a pattern. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to type in some additional values to see if flash fill can recognize a pattern. As you see, I'm typing in values and it doesn't seem to pick up a pattern. So it's important to remember that when you use flash fill, that you want to apply it close to your original data. In this example, we have part IDs in column A that contain text and numbers. What if we wanted to extract the numeric portion of the string? Let's type 2345 in column B, then press the down arrow key. Next, start typing 5698. Flash fill has recognized the pattern of extracting the four numbers, then filled the remaining cells in light gray. It looks like the pattern was recognized accurately, so press Enter to complete the flash fill. Another key point is that flash fill is not dynamic. If you change the source data, for example, if I change 5698 in column A to 5700, the result doesn't automatically update in column B. Please keep this in mind when using flash fill. In this example, we have names in column A, but the case in many of the names are not in proper case. We can use flash fill to fix this. Let's type Jim Smith in column B with the capital J and capital S, then press the down arrow key. Then start typing Alex Johnson. As you can see, FlashFill has recognized the pattern of name with proper case, then filled down in light gray color. It looks like FlashFill has accurately recognized the pattern, so press Enter to finalize. In this example, we have student names and score in column A. What if we wanted to extract just the score to column B? Let's start by typing 89 in column B, then drag the fill handle down to the remaining cells. Then select FlashFill in the Autofill Options box. The scores have been extracted and filled down. Notice that even the scores with decimals were accurately extracted. In this video, you learned how to use FlashFill in Excel by looking at multiple examples and methods. FlashFill is a super cool feature that is a time saver when used successfully, since it doesn't require using formulas. I hope this video has been helpful to you. One more thing, I would really appreciate it if you would please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also, please give the video a like on YouTube if it has helped you. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired and keep learning.